Hey, what's up guys? We're doing a really cool build in this Mercedes, so I just wanted to show you a couple things. We're putting this massive 16-inch woofer from Rockford Fosgate. It's their T2 series. It's their power series. It's humongous. It weighs about 80 pounds. And we're doing this T2500, which is their power series as well. It's a 2500 watt amplifier. We're putting it into this Mercedes over here. Put an extra battery down in the trunk area. This is the box for it. We did it in bed liner. It's got lighting here. All the wiring will be finished up at one point. We'll have video of that too. But so this is all color changing lights that go in. It's going to have a plexiglass window so you can actually see. The sub is going to be facing this way, so the front of the sub will actually be back here. But we're actually going to reverse the polarity so that it changes the direction of the way the sub moves to utilize this as the box and then funnel into the car. There's two ports. There's one port on each side that goes into the car. So, and he's still working on this, but basically right here, the port is all funneled into the car. So all of the pressure of this woofer is going to come inside the vehicle so that you don't lose any of that in the trunk and get all the rattling and things like that. So this is going to be a massive build. We'll have more to come on this, but stay tuned and check it out. Thanks.